Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope you're well and fine. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to the class of computer. I warmly welcome all of you to the class of computer. Up till now, we have completed our 4 chapters. Now, we are going towards the next chapter. And what is the name of the chapter? Let's get started. The chapter which we are going to start is number system. The name of the chapter is number system and it is on page number 16 and this is your chapter number 5. You must have heard the number system in your maths class. Why we are discussing it in computer and what kind of information we are going to have from this chapter. So let's begin. So here are some of the things which we are going to learn. So things to learn are numbers. What are the numbers? Use of numbers. That how do we use numbers and why do we use numbers? Types of number system. Number system has many types from which we are going to learn decimal number system and binary number system. And convergence of decimal to binary. Now what are these and how we are going to do this? In today's class we are going to cover our numbers, use of numbers, type of number system including decimal number system and binary number system. Convergence will be taught in the next class. So let's get started with numbers. If we talk about numbers, so numbers are basically arithmetic values expressed by a word, symbol, or a figure representing a particular quantity and used in counting and making calculations. A number is basically a count or measurement that is really an idea in our minds. We write or talk about numbers using numerals such as 4 or 4. Here you can see that we can write it in digit and we can write it by a word. Okay, so numbers are not only the digits but numbers are the arithmetical values that can be expressed by a word, symbol, figure. Okay, so let's see that what we are going to learn further in this chapter. Here comes the definition of numbers according to your book, and this is: numbers are symbols or notations which represent quantities. In different languages, different symbols are used to represent the quantities. Dear students, as we all know that numbers are very important and numbers play a very vital role in our life. So here are some of the uses of numbers. Numbers are involved in our daily life. We count, measure, or calculate quantities in numbers many times a day. How? Counting of money and time. We count the money daily, okay, because we spend money, we buy the things, okay, this is how we count the money. Measuring the distance, flight number, car number, bus number, ID card number, roll number. Being a student, you all are having your ID card number and roll numbers. Now roll numbers have been given to you, so and you write your roll number on your copy as well, okay, because it makes your work easy and it makes your work more secure. Your copy can be identified easily by seeing only your roll number. Okay, so this is how we use numbers in our daily life, and not only in the one way. We can use the number in many ways. We count the money, we see the time, we measure the distance in kilometer, we buy the things in kilogram, like sugar can be measured in kilogram. So that could be 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram. Now 1 and 2 are the numbers. This is how we use the numbers in our daily life. Now, what is the number system? Number system. The number system is a way to represent or express numbers. You have heard of various type of number systems such as whole number, the real numbers, the natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, and many. But in the context of computers, we define other types of number systems. When we were talking about maths, so you must have heard that there are natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, okay? But when we talk about the computers, so there is a number system and it has four basic types, and these types are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. These four are the basic types of number system, from which we will be learning about decimal number system and binary number system. Octal number system and hexadecimal number system you will be learning in maybe the next class. Okay, so we are going to start decimal number system first. So let's start the decimal number system. It is the most common number system. How? Because the number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system. That is why it is the most common number system. It uses 10 digits, and these digits are 0 to 9. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Decimal number system has base 10, and that is why it is called as base 10 number system. Do you know when was the decimal number system invented? Decimal number system was invented in India before 250 BC. Now, here comes the binary number system, the second type of number system in our book. Binary number system uses only two digits, and these are 0 and 1. Remember, when we are talking about decimal number system, we use 10 digits in decimal number system, and these digits are 0 to 9. But binary number system, the word binary indicates 2. Bi means 2. It is a number system that has only 2 digits, and these digits are 0 and 1. This can be arranged to show any number. How? We will learn it further. It is also called base 2 number system. Remember, when we were talking about decimal number system, we called the decimal number system as base 10 number system because that has 10 digits, and now we are using alternative name for the binary number system, and that is base 2 number system. It is very simple but very long. So again, here is a review of binary number system, and binary number system uses two digits, and these are 0 and 1. It is also called as base 2 number system, and in the example you can see that we have used only two digits. This value has 5 digits, but these 5 digits are either 1 or 0, not 2, not 3, not 4. Okay, only 1 and 0 digits can be written in binary number system. Binary number system, you can see here the base is 2. Here we are writing the 2, that is indicating the base. And what is the base number for binary? That is 2. Okay, I use only 0 and 1. Okay, so binary system is saying that my base is 2, and I use only two digits, and these are 0 and 1. When we talk about the binary number system, we know that computers work on electricity, and electrical signals have only two states, and these are on and off. On is represented by 1 and off is represented by 0. Computer uses the binary number system and performs all of its functions and calculations accordingly. Dear students, here is a brief history of binary number system. Binary number system was invented in 1600 AD by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Okay. Students, here are 2 points for each type of number system, and these are the basic point. If we talk about the decimal number system, the number system with base 10 is called decimal system. And on the other hand, the number system with base 2 is called binary system. Okay, now it has base 10. In decimal number system, each of 10 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are total 10. Okay, that is why we are giving the base number as 10. On the other hand, if we talk about binary number system, so it has the base 2. It means we are going to use only two digits in binary number system, and these are 0 and 1.
Now, looking at all those ones and zeros can be really confusing at first. Poor Tero fried his brains trying to figure it all out. But don't worry, we will guide you through it. A computer can only understand two things, on or off. Hence, we use these ones and zeros to represent on and off respectively, which can then represent different numbers. That's why binary is so important. It's how computers think. And no, this doesn't mean your math teachers were wrong about what they taught you. Now, how does a computer even recognize these ones and zeros? Picture some wires with electricity flowing through it connected to the computer. This wire can either be on or off, and that's exactly what a computer uses to recognize these ones and zeros. So how do these ones and zeros become numbers then? To understand this, first let's look at the decimal system. We know that numbers are formed from digits 0 to 9, and this is to the base of 10. Remember the tens, hundreds, and thousands we learned in math class? That is to the base of 10. Each position starting from the right is given the position number or index, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So we get the ones, tens, hundreds by actually having 10 to the power of the index number of that position. It's the exact same thing in binary. So we start from index 0 from the right. Each position is allocated the base of 2 to the power of that index. So in this case, we get 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, if I want to write my crew of 10 in binary, how do we do it? Remember the different numbers at each index which we talked about earlier. We need to find out how to get 10 from these numbers. 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. So for 10, we could add 8 and 2. To do so, we will turn off index 0, on index 1, off index 2, and on index 3. This way, we would only end up using 8 and 2. So the binary number based on the on and off sequence will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Adding 8, 0, 2, 0 together, we get 10. Easy, right?
We use decimal number system in our daily life because decimal number system has 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but while we are learning about binary number system and it has only 2 digits, so it seems difficult for us, but you must know that our computer understands binary number system and it works on binary number system, so that is why we are learning about binary number system. Okay, so this was all about the decimal number system and binary number system. Apart from this, we have seen some of the uses of numbers. What are the number system in maths? What are the number system in computers? So thank you so much. I hope you have got all of the things. This chapter is really easy, but if you still have any difficulty, so you can ask me via comments on Google Classroom. Okay, so as per my instructions, I always ask you to read your book and underline the important lines, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much. Take care.